everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, it's Tshwane Metropolis Department region have arrested 3 people for digging up the graves in Mabopane. On the 15th of July 2022, Tshwane Metropolis Department regional members received a complaint from security guards who were working the night shift at the graveyard about people digging up graves. The officers responded and rushed to the graveyard. Upon arrival, they found 3 people inside the grave busy digging. Then when the 3 suspects were questioned, they could not account for what they were doing and where they got the permission to dig up those graves. Among the 3 suspects was Isangoma. They were allegedly looking for dead people bones for umuthi purposes. The suspect tried to offer a bribe of 1,500 rand and then were arrested guys for violation of graveyard regulations and malicious damage to property and bribery. Guys, South Africa is becoming something else, guys. I don't want to lie. Before, bekuwa ukuthi kulahleke ingane, and if ingane ilahlekile, it's easy ukuyithola because they will trace ukuthi ibonakale ikuphi nobani and basheshe batholakala ukuthi that those people they were benze the thing ukuthi bantshontshe ingane bayicuya benza ngawo umuthi or whatever into basuke beyenza. But now they are going to the graveyards, guys, where they know ukuthi ama families are why like always to the graveyards. Aya nje once off ngaleso sikhathi beyocleaner or bowenza whatever bafuna ukuyenza khona emathuneni. So it will be difficult for the families would bathola ukuthi ubani okade emva amathuna abo. So like I'm just asking myself, guys, ukuthi umuthi wani lona wenziwa ngamathamba abantu abashonile, like really umuthi okwenzani? I don't know what to tell guys, but yeah, South Africa is becoming something else that I don't even know. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.